Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Arpit. First of all, congratulations, because this is the third review that we do for Arpit, meaning he is now managing a 120k account. So very well done, Arpit. We are very proud of you and we are happy for you. Arpit joined our funded trader program last July on the 9th, and hit his third target on the 7th of December. So very well done. Also because we want to remember, we mentioned that already in the previous review that we have done for Arpit. It didn't have a very good start. It was actually almost, it was really close to the maximum drawdown level that we allow per traders. But then something happened in the beginning of September and he just went one way up toward now what is his third target with us. So very well done, Arpit. So let's have a look at the statistics. We have an average daily return of 0.19%, monthly 5.75%, and a floating drawdown of 12.62%. Okay, let's have a look at the statistics and see how things changed for him. So we have 750 trades opened, very good, a very good number, and with a profitability rate of 68%, which is a very good winning rate. Let's have a look at the average win. So Arpit on average win 15 pips and lose 24 pips, but given the good profitability rate that he has and the quite good amount of positions that he opened, he still managed to be profitable over time. Let's have a look at the best trade and the worst trade. The best trade was on the 7th of December in terms of dollars. He gained $1,061. Who knows, maybe this one is already a 120k account, or maybe is the winning trade that led him to hit his third target. We don't know. And on his worst trade, he lost on the 6th of November. So maybe this one belonged still on the when he was managing the third account with us. Sorry, and he lost 2,000, slightly more than $2,000 on this one. And I believe it was the same that we see here, the worst trade in terms of pips. Still the 6th of November, he lost 195 pips on that position. Have a look at the summary. So, well, we have quite a good number of positions opened overall, and let's have a look at the most profitable pair for him. And yeah, definitely this one. Pound yen 170 trades open on this pair. He gained 1,230 pips, resulting in a profit of $8,632. Very good. We can see a good number of positions opened also here on the pound dollar. He opened 175 trades, gaining 628 pips, resulting in a profit of $2,265. Very good, very well done. We can see also a few good winnings here and there. Here, for example, 38 position on the euro yen. Also here, 33 position on the pound Aussie. And let's also have a look at the negative side. Okay, we can see here 118 position opened on the euro dollar. He lost almost 700 pips, resulting in a loss of $1,246. And also here, the euro New Zealand, he lost overall $1,100 on this pair. Okay, let's have a look here. This is the history of his account. And here on the 11th of December, he he hit his target and we shared profits with him. So now he's managing 120k account. Okay, from the monthly analytics we can see how September was a very good month for him, and in fact we saw that from his equity line that from the beginning of September, when he was down 8% on his account, he had a very good recover on the account. So yes, we noticed that from the equity line already. November was a good month for him as well, and December of course started in a very good way. Okay, Arpit, very well done. Congratulations on your target, and at this point I really look forward to do another review of your account.